sir. Are there any recommended acts that you can enlighten us with during itikaf?
During itikaf, that which are recommended is number one, that we offer the salah, but naturally the recommended salah, that the prescribed salah, it is a fard. Besides that, the supererogatory, the nawafil salah, as much as you pray, it is preferable. The nawafil, the sunnah, as much as you can, it is preferred during the itikaf. Number three is you should offer supplication to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Make dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as much as you can. Number four, ask for forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And itikaf is the time when inshallah subhanahu wa ta'ala will accept your forgiveness. Number five, that do dhikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Say subhanallah or say alhamdulillah, glory be to Allah, praise be to Allah. Number six, you can say the takbir and the kalmah. Say Allahu Akbar. Number seven, send your blessings and salutations to the last and final messenger, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Number eight, recite as much as the Quran as possible. And number nine, that besides reading the Quran in Arabic, you can even read the tafasir. You can even read the translation of the Quran. For those people who don't understand Arabic as a language, you can read the translation so that you can implement on the guidance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You can read the tafasir of the Quran in the language you understand the best. You can read the books of hadith of the Prophet. You can read the life and the seerah of the Prophet. So these are the things which are recommended. And you should not do things which are extreme. As the hadith mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 8, in the book of oaths and vows, hadith number 6704, that once when the Prophet was giving a sermon, he saw a man standing, and the Prophet said, "What is the matter?" So the people said, "He is Abu Israel, and he has vowed he will stand and he will not sit. He will not go under the shade. He will not talk, he will not speak, and he will fast." So the Prophet says that tell him that he should speak and bring him into the shade and ask him to sit and complete his fast. The itikaf is a thing which recommended thing of a salah, but don't overdo, I will not speak, I will not sit, I will not go into the shade. So the things that are recommended, as I mentioned, is salah, dua, asking forgiveness, doing dhikr, reading the Quran, hadith, etc.